Scenic Pruitt, Caffeinated Wanderer on Keepsake Travel in Bradford, England this morning. Our last full day on our trip. We're going to see Mr. Shakespeare today and then on to London for one more night before we go to Ireland ball game. This is the lobby of course, early in the morning, not quite 6 o'clock, I guess. Leonardo Hotel in Bradford. So second stay at a Leonardo, the other one's in Cardiff. Nice little chain. Nothing wrong with it. This is the lobby area. That's just cool. And we're having breakfast this morning in a bit. And then on we go. It's actually 6:25 right now. And here's the bar area with their offerings of Boddington's, Magners, Beck's, Budweiser, Midway, and Stella. Got Stella everywhere. First time I've seen Beck's. Bud I've seen, of course, sometimes Coors. Tennant in Scotland is good, but not here. Oh, you see that? Here is the Guinness. That's not really, I think that's I don't know what that is. I think it's a beer. And a Corona. I love that with the lime from the side. Not seen those before. That's pretty cool. Okay. Recruit, Caffeinated Wanderer. Make it a great day.